Hey everyone, my name is Scott, and thanks for checking out CPRBusinessGuide.com, the video to teach you how to be a CPR instructor. Now, I just want to back it up a little bit. Why I became a CPR instructor in the first place. 10 years ago, I was in an unrelated business that was getting pretty frustrating for me. I wasn't making enough money at the time, and I wanted to switch. Fortunately for me at the time, I had an acquaintance of mine that had a CPR training business, and I saw the kind of money he was making, saw the kind of hours he was keeping, and I go, it only made sense to me. So what I did was I got out of the profession I was in. I already had my CPR certification, and all it was getting an instructor course. It was basically a weekend course on to get my teaching certificate, and then I could instruct. Now, I know what many of you are probably thinking is like, well, okay, you had medical background and so forth, but thing is, I did not. The only thing I had was a CPR certification, which just about anybody can get, and the only other thing I needed to do was get a instructor certificate, and then I could go and teach. Now, the one big thing I had going for me was that I already knew how to run a business. I knew how to market myself. I knew how to write letters. I knew how to set up contracts and everything. Huge advantage for me. So what I've done a couple years ago is I developed a CPR business guide to get into what I'm doing. And it's chock full of marketing ideas, where to go to get business, all the forums and the flyers that I've used over the years. It's a treasure trove of how to get yourself going in this business. Now, if you like, you can either email me at scott@aheroforlife.com or give me a call. My phone number is on the website, and I highly encourage to do that because there are a lot of people that may have questions about, is this the type of business I could do where I am and so forth. I can answer all of that for you. So I urge you to call, and hopefully I can answer some questions you may have, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.